Hi folks, Steve Jobs here, and today we'll be replacing the battery on my wife's 2014 Honda Accord. And right now, we're about to head into Advance Auto Parts to hopefully pick up a Die-Hard battery. So we'll see you inside. All right, we got the battery. Time to head home and install this thing. All right, we're back from the store. It's time to take the old battery out and put the new battery in. First things first is we want to make sure that we disconnect the negative battery terminal first as a safety precaution. Then we'll disconnect the positive, take the battery out, put the battery back in, put the positive terminal back on, and then the negative at the end, and then we'll start it up and see how we did. Well, let's go do that. Okay, so we've been having some recent problems starting this vehicle. My wife has had to get a jump twice in order to get the vehicle started. So we were kind of suspect of the battery. Plus this is July of 2023. The battery date is 7/19, so it's 4 years old. It's about time for a replacement. I might need an Advil too. All right. So on this particular application, my nuts for the terminals are a 10 millimeter. So I've grabbed my 10 millimeter long socket to take these bolts off. Again, starting with the negative first and then doing the positive terminal. So now that we've taken the battery terminals off, it's time for us to take the battery hold on off as well. Now it's time to lift the battery out. Take the battery cover off, put it on our new battery. Side note, these gnats are a real pain. Now that we've got the battery back in place, it's time to put the hold down back in. Now it's time to put the battery terminals back on. Before I put the battery terminals back on, I want to clean them out a little bit to get rid of any of corrosion or rust that's there to make a good contact with the battery. All right, we'll start by putting the positive terminal back on first. With our battery installed, it's now time to start the vehicle. Put on the brake. All right, there you have it. Steve Jobs replacing the battery. My job is over. Time for you to get back to yours.